We are in Taichung, Taiwan, and we're going to show you the fun things you can do here. Our first stop is the National Museum of Natural Science.
This place brings science alive with hands-on exhibits for every age.
This is saying that our body is 65% water.
So this is a Dimetrodon. They were in the age before the Triassic, which was the first part of the dinosaur era. We're now checking out Giant Unearthed, a Taiwan whale's tail.
The next exhibit is Archaeology of Fan Ziyuan Culture. It's basically an Aboriginal exhibit.
This is a vampire deer.
Exploring Tiny Wonders.
The Albert Einstein.
Doing a water-powered clock. This is the top of the clock. Also impressive.
This exhibit is on Chinese medicine. This is like the very, very tiny version of a horse and wagon, terracotta.
For this thing, if you fix your eyes in the middle point, it'll look like you're staring inside a room. So even though it's popping out in real life, it will look like you're looking in. and that is the National Museum of Natural Science.
This museum was huge and very fun. I really enjoyed looking at the clock, the hydro clock that they had. It was very cool and very huge.
This museum has so many things to see. At first I thought it would only be like dinosaurs and natural history, but then we went to a quantum exhibit, we went to an Aboriginal exhibit, we went to, there was like Chinese medicine. There was so many different things to see. And we didn't even see it all because I don't think we went to every corner of the museum. We ran out of time. Now we're gonna make sun cakes at the Taiwan Sun Cake Museum.
This place preserves the flaky legacy of Taichung Sun Cakes, plus lets you bake your own in a DIY workshop.
We just finished the DIY and we each made 6 sun cakes, so they're gonna bake it now and in 30 minutes we can pick it up.
1 hour later.
We got our sun cakes back.
Overall, I really enjoyed this. I hope they taste good. I'm gonna eat them in very soon. But the actual making of it was my favorite part. It was very fun and I really enjoyed our guide.
The instructor was very fun, even though he kept making fun of me. It was only in Chinese, so if you can't understand basic Chinese, then it might be kind of hard for you, or you'll just have to watch what the other people are doing. But overall, yeah, very unique experience. I'm glad we came. We are at Minimal, the only ice cream shop in the world with a Michelin star.
This place serves minimalist cups where 6 flavors shine on their own. I find this so interesting how they list a bunch of flavors or put them all in one.